Ladies and gentlemen, this is a BattleBots middleweight elimination contest. Introducing in the red square. If it weren't for his ability to disembowel his competition, he'd have no redeeming qualities whatsoever. Here is, nonetheless, Sunshine Lollibot. And in the blue square, mix 3 parts bloodlust with 1 part inhuman desire to destroy, and you get Alabama Slammer.
Red Driver, are you ready?
Yes.
Red Driver is ready.
Yes. Blue Drivers, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Blue Drivers are ready.
Shut it off. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time 47 seconds. The winner by a knockout, the red square, Sunshine Lollibot.